healing grow.
The city of Wyandotte versus Courtney, 231230 and 232002. And appearance, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Secretary, we have my client's time since the matter of Courtney is assumed.
All right, and Mr. Courtney, your name, please.
Courtney.
All right, thank you. And today's the date scheduled for sentencing on both matters. The first matter was from May 31st for possession of controlled substance. And then the next matter is for sentencing from August 17th incident with the assault and battery with the complaining witness being Miss Olivia Martinez, who I understand is the daughter of your girlfriend.
Yeah.
And is Miss Martinez present? No. All right. And counsel?
When I have to review the PSI, it's factually accurate, Judge. I believe that he's done approximately 27 days in custody. When I discussed what the recommendations were time in custody and incarceration, he indicated that he was hopeful to potentially get credit for time served. However, if that were not to be considered, he would be asking for probation instead of the additional 60+ days in custody. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. All right. And the court will note that Mr. Courtney also has a possession charge from January of 20, a possession of controlled substance from January of 23 as well. And the court is also aware of Mr. Courtney's previous arrest at the same location with other issues with Miss Martinez and even with his girlfriend, Miss Martinez. Mr. Courtney, you know what? I heard that the last time, and yet here we are, and look where you are.
I know.
You're telling me it won't happen again, but you consume alcohol and you can't control yourself. You put your hands on your girlfriend's daughter.
I do.
Right, you put your hands on her.
I'm not even gonna go back over there, period. I don't, every time I go back over there, it's always something, you know, so I don't even want to.
Yeah, you still keep going back over there, sir.
I swear.
You still keep going back over there. The court does not find that you're a candidate for probation.
I don't want to go back.
You also have one more. I'm sorry, what's that, sir?
I said, I don't want to go back over there because I don't want to go back to jail. I don't. I just don't. I always want to get out of here. I feel for my life in here because a lot of people are getting hurt in here and killed. And the judge's not really doing their job here. They're not.
The who isn't doing their jobs?
The judges are not doing their job here. They leave their desk and go somewhere else. And some people be hollering for the judge. They don't do nothing. One guy just died having a seizure. The judge was not even around.
Okay, and sir, I don't know what their jobs are, what their responsibilities are, if they're adequately staffed or not. I don't know that. But what I do know is that you have been in front of this court a number of times. You've had other matters dismissed. You now have this possession charge, and you just had another possession charge just a few months before that, sir. And so on the 23-1230 matter, the court's going to indicate 75 days jail. And you've been in custody since August 17th. 27 days. You get jail for 27, you get credit for 27 days. So that leaves a balance of 48 days to serve, sir. And the court's going to also indicate as a 232002 that it's 75 days jail concurrent with 231230 credit for 27 days. Sir, the previous times you've been in trouble and your previous convictions apparently hasn't dawned on you, sir, that you need to stop consuming alcohol. You stop going to the home. Perhaps you should even stop your relationship with the lady. I don't know, but stop putting your hands on her daughter.
I'm not going back over there.
Okay,
I know she has my phone and my property. I know that.
well, sir, you can always, when you're released, you can contact the Wyandotte Police Department and they can do what they call a civil standby. Don't go over and try to get it on your own.
Okay.
The court's going to suspend the fines and costs of these matters.
So how many days I
Anything else?
got? How many days?
Yeah, 47 days left, sir, or 48 days left. Thank you, have a good day. All right, and we are on the record in the matter of John Walden III, 232055.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Chris Pacheco, on behalf of my client. It's finally sent to the matter being heard via Zoom as the arraignment. Wait for more reading. My client stands briefed.
All right, Mr. Walden, your name, please.
Your Honor, John Walden III.
Okay, and good morning, good afternoon. And the court will waive
I'm trying to get over to get some payments for the old case. And I am working. Okay.
Okay, I'm not really sure what you're saying, but just one moment. The court's going to waive the formal reading, enter into a plea, schedule this matter for pretrial on September 26th. And as to bond counsel?
Your Honor, my client indicates that he will appear in the office before the court dates. He indicates he also is trying to make some payments to the court regarding some sort of outstanding issue, but he does want to get back on track, and we will be compliant with any terms and conditions of this court order. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, sir, I don't know, what were you talking about payments?
I was trying to get over here. I came last Friday to make $100 payment and I got a half an hour late. What I need is a personal bond. See, what happened was my house caught on fire in Romulus and my whole family went to Florida. I'm the only one up here. I can't get bonded out. So if you could give me the personal, I will be here and I will have that paid before the 26th on the old case. Because if not, I'm gonna lose my job and everything. And that's all I have.
Where do you work, sir?
I work at a couple different construction companies. A2H Enterprises, I'm a contractor, and I work for my boss. It's my 29th year seniority for the same company. And also in my phone, I'm at a new company here in Wyandotte that wants me to work for them and also they own apartment complexes.
Whoa, just for a moment. Okay, so I remember you, which is not a good thing, I'm sure. Weren't you like staying in somebody's house?
No, the people knew I was in the house. See, Carol was...
Yeah, so you were in somebody's house. Hold on. You were in somebody's house and you're claiming that somebody, and I remember you claimed that somebody asked you to stay there or something of that nature. Because your boss bought the house, and while you were staying there fixing it up, right?
No, I didn't buy the house. They had me working in there. The family who bought it. There was 3 people, and the money that was supposed to be paid, the $750, she spent it on crack. I wanted it all paid in once, and she didn't bond me out. That's why it's not paid yet. So I'm paying it $1,500 instead of $750. I have to pay it twice now. I've already paid it once. She spent it. She was supposed to pay it before I even got out. She had my debit card.
Who's she?
Teresa Toko. She had my debit card.
Teresa?
Yeah. Well, that was all a bunch of nonsense. That wasn't even true. What happened? I just said, I might as well just go ahead and take the blame. I told the lawyer, I said, if you can get me out today, since I've been here for a week, then I'll change my plea to guilty. And he said, I'll see what I can do. And I had to sit in there for 8 weeks. Or something I didn't even do. I'm a good guy, man. I'll come to court. I'll pay that. That's why I was in Wyandotte. I left work yesterday early to come make a payment here. But I was so stressed out, I ended up drinking on the way home. on the way from work to Wyandotte. Plus also, I
No,
needed to go.
sir, oh, boy, that, I will say, that's the most comical thing I've heard today.
I
You
know,
were
but
on, you
I
left work, no, sir, stop. You left work early to make your way to the court to make a payment, and along the way, you got so stressed out knowing you had to make the payment that you just got that drunk that you ended up getting arrested for public intoxication, disorderly conduct, and resisting and obstructing. That's what you want me to, that's what you want me to believe.
Listen, I needed to get to.
No, don't tell me to listen. Absolutely not. Do not tell me to listen. I've been listening without you telling me to listen.
I'm sorry.
Sir, where were you working yesterday? Sir, where were you working yesterday?
I worked Romulus yesterday. I've been taking the bus for 29 years to the North Terminal. It picks me up at Wyandotte.
Sir, how are you going to get over here to the court?
The bus, I put the bike on the bus and the bus takes me. I pull the string at 4th Street and North Line and I come right down North Street.
Okay, yeah.
And also I needed to get to the hospital to get my meds. I take bipolar medicine. I wasn't all together yesterday. I've been off my meds for over a month now. So I needed to get to Wyandotte, first the police station and then right next door to the hospital, which I need right now. I need my medicine.
But yet you didn't. In fact, you were 0.22 is what it's alleging.
I was what?
It's alleging that you were almost 3 times the legal limit, sir.
Well, I drank
What's that?
I drank one White Russian. Maybe it was too much. I put in there, that's what I drank, one White Russian. That's all I had to drink.
Okay. Well, you know what, you have not contacted this court to make any payments, not, since you've been released from jail from your last matter that you had here.
I've been
And
starting
you work in
bills.
I'm sorry, well, sir, we're one of your bills.
No, I was not working. The whole time since I got out, I lost, because I was gone for 8 weeks. My boss
So,
finally
sir,
got
if
me
your
back.
home, excuse me, if your home just caught fire, where are you living?
I live on Roosevelt Island. 8215
Who
Church
do you live
Road.
with? Who do you live with there, sir?
My nephew, me and my nephew live there, and I might be moving to Wyandotte, to an apartment complex.
Okay.
Because I just met him yesterday, he wants me to be a maintenance guy. So I'll also get a check every week and the apartment be free. He owns a bunch, he lives on the island.
Okay. All right. Well, here's what the court's going to do, because I have some concerns as to where you're living and your credibility is questionable at best. You have not paid what you owe to the court, so you have a history of not complying with court orders. The court's going to indicate a $5,000, $5,000, 10% bond. You're not to be released without a GPS alcohol tether to the Wayne County Jail.
You're not gonna get my personal.
You're not to possess or consume alcohol or drugs unless prescribed.
I don't do drugs.
Well, good, then you won't have a problem complying with your bond condition. Okay,
So you're not gonna give me the personal. I can't get bonded out. Do you understand that?
you just indicated that you had the money, you're on your way to court to make a
I
payment.
I can make a $50 payment today. And I can come out, but I can't get the one that cost me $500.
Well, sir, that's the order of the court. Thank you, off the record.
Will you hand me my screen box?
Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Ma'am? Ma'am? Can you hear it?
No.
Okay.
I have no patience for that. And trust me, out of the day, I'm sitting up here, I'm the one that needs a drink.